What's up, guys? This is Drew, and I'm so glad that you are tuned in to Drew's Detailing. So today I'm going to do things a little bit different. I'm going to record and get some different angles on the car as I wash it and kind of explain some of the steps that I do when I'm doing my detailing. So we're going to be cleaning a 2013 Toyota 4Runner, and she brought it in to me, and it's fairly dirty on the outside, a lot of mud, tar, and just dirt buildup, especially under the wheel wells. So we're going to clean that up for her, as well as doing an inside full detail. We're going to clean her WeatherTech mats, scrub the dash, and get it all nice and shiny for her. According to her, it hasn't been detailed or cleaned in years, so this one might be a really good detail for some before and after pictures. So enjoy the video.
So as you can see by the exterior pictures, we have our work cut out for us today. The first thing I always do is start with the wheel wells by the tires and wheels. Always start there so that if there's any overspray, it won't get on the car, or we haven't cleaned that portion of the car, so it's not a big deal. The wheel wells were pretty muddy with dirt and just caked on mud, so spending a little bit of extra time here working on those. So one of the things I like to do before I do a total pre-rinse of the vehicle is continue to work my way down the sides to the next tire. And in this particular instance, cleaning the running boards and anything almost below the handles down, since there was so much tar and just guts and grimes from bugs and whatnot. I went ahead and took some time there, and I'm using a bug remover and a tar remover on the vehicle at this point, which really helps with the pressure washer to remove some of this debris. as you guys know, I have also been trying to promote some of my car cleaning and detailing services on social media. So if you don't mind, if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel for new content. I'm going to try to post a lot more frequently now since the summer months and the weather's getting better for this sort of thing. So if you don't mind, go ahead and subscribe, and be sure to follow me on Instagram as well. So on the interiors, typically what I will always do is go over first and dust, and sometimes I'll use the shop vac if it's really bad behind the detail brush there to kind of suck up some of the dust, and then I will apply some APC and wipe it down. This helps get rid of some of the scuff marks that might be there, or any markings. And then once that's completed, I'll go back over with a UV protected shine that will leave your dash looking great for weeks to come, and also is very helpful with the sun's harmful rays. And then finally, the last two things that I typically do on any cleaning are the windows. And also any exterior trim. And then of course the tire dressing. For the tire dressing, I like to use Chemical Guys VRP for that. It gives the tires a good shine without being too shiny, and also won't sling as well. Also on the interior, there was no extraction or shampooing this time, so the carpets were just vacuumed. And also, of course, with any full interior and exterior detail package, that comes with a seat detailing too, with some detail spray. Guys, that just about wraps up this video. The customer was extremely pleased with this clean. As a matter of fact, I'm going to be doing 2 other of their vehicles in the near future. So I just want to say thanks again for watching the video. If you haven't already, subscribe, and we will see you next time.